Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install and configure the Chrome remote desktop app on a target computer or server and remotely access it from another computer. So this is the computer, my Windows 10 machine running at home, and my lab environment is in a different location. You can see I'm signed in as me on Google with a valid address up in the top right. And now I need to look for the Chrome remote desktop. So this is the shortcut I want. I don't need to install the app on the machine I'm remote in from. So if I just click on this, and you can see I've already got one server online, which is called an R710, and I don't have anything else. In my lab environment, I have a Windows 10 PC, which is called Windows 10 VM. So what we're going to do, we're going to pause the vid. I'm going to remote onto my lab environment, which is in a different location, completely separate from my home, and set up the remote support element of that. So I'm just going to pause the vid. So as you can see, I've got a virtual machine running in my lab environment running Windows 10. I've renamed the recycle bin Windows 10 VM just for ease of use. And if I open Chrome at the moment and go to, you must have a Google Chrome account, well, a Gmail account or anything like that. You can see I'm signed in with my little Homer Simpson face in the top right. But if I type in Chrome remote desktop and click on the app, if we scroll down, we will be able to see, there we go, Chrome remote desktop. Yeah. Now I've already got a server set up here, but you can see there's no Windows 10 VM at all. Yeah. So what I want to do, I want to set up remote access. So I want to download Chrome remote desktop app. So I'll click on there. And I want to add it to Chrome, which will also trigger off a download for the remote desktop app. So I'm going to click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and it's downloading. There you go, didn't take long. And then it's going to ask if I want to install it. So yep, accept and install, and yes. Do you want it allowed to make changes? Of course, click yes. And it's the name of this computer is picked up already, which is Windows 10 VM. So I'm going to click next. And I'm going to choose a pin now just for this demonstration. I'm going to keep it quite easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to re-enter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to scroll down. So let's scroll. Do you want to help make improvements to Chrome? That's up to you. I'm going to deselect this and I'm going to click Start. Yes, we need to allow access, so click yes. So now you can see I've got Windows 10 VM on my screen. So if I stop this vid now and go back to my original computer that's in the house, let's see if it appears on that screen and let's see if I can remote on. But before we do that, what I'll do, I'll close Chrome and I'll close this and we're looking for this. Okay, so let me just pause the vid and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back on my computer at home. So I'm going to open up Chrome now. And as you can see, my Windows 10 VM is online. So if I just click once, it's going to try and connect. Bear in mind on the other computer, the lab environment, we close Chrome, it's still signed in, but Chrome is actually closed. But the remote desktop app, which Google have designed, is still running in the background as a service. So if I put our pin in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I never remember any credentials because it's not secure. And we just click the arrow and we should be connected. As you can see, yep, it's telling me I'm sharing. And if you can see, we've got our Windows 10 environment there. You can install the app on many computers. So if you have family members and you all install it and do it the same way. You can share between accounts. It's really useful, very secure, runs over HTTPS, so no problems there. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Don't forget to like and subscribe.